Hello, this is Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and this is the third in our series of videos on medical malpractice. And today, I want to ask you the question, should you feel guilty about suing your doctor, nurse, hospital, or whoever for medical malpractice? And a quick, simple answer to that question is no, you should not, because of several reasons. The first reason is because you've suffered a serious injury or death. Otherwise, you would not be bringing this claim. Let me put that in perspective for you about things you should feel guilty about and not feel guilty about. Let's say you went in to get your hair cut, and the lady that cut your hair had long fingernails, and she scratched your ear while she was cutting your hair. Should you feel guilty about bringing a claim against her in court for that? Well, yes, obviously you should, because you suffered no real injury. But suppose she had been using a pair of scissors on your hair and it slipped and cut your ear off. Well, that's a different matter, isn't it? Because it's going to require probably microsurgery to reattach your ear. It's going to require time in the hospital, probably disfiguring scars that'll never go away. All those things are serious enough to where somebody should respond to you in damages for what has happened. It's the same in the medical profession. Their injuries tend to be serious and catastrophic when they happen. Who is to compensate you for the injury, death, hospitalization, pain, suffering, so forth of you or your loved one? It has to be that person that caused it or that person's insurance company. That's just the way it is. So it is nothing to feel guilty about. If anyone should feel guilty, it is the person who caused the injury. That is the way we achieve justice in our society. Medical malpractice claims, as we've said before, are difficult to bring, and they're not about retribution or revenge. In many ways, they're not even about money. Money is a way of measuring success and failure. It is really about achieving justice for the injured person, and for that reason, no, you should not feel guilty. Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And if you've been injured in a medical malpractice claim, I'd love to talk with you about it. Give me a call right now for a free consultation, or contact me at the Get in Touch form at the bottom of this page. On our next video, we'll be talking about why you should use an experienced attorney for your medical malpractice claim.